Alrighty, welcome back to the channel, guys. We were out here on the creek this morning. I usually don't get out on these creeks real early like this, but I got out here at daylight and actually had to sit in the truck for a minute, let it get a little more daylight before I started walking. And we're gonna put some miles in. Got some storms coming. I think in about 5 hours or so. So we're gonna try to use all turkeys. Try to use all 5 of these hours and find us some big fish. I got two brand new Magdrafts I got in the bag. I got one tied on and it is the light trout color, so we're gonna try that out today. I'm looking for some big fish. Got some low light situation right now, so just throwing around this Megabass quick walker. And I'll probably throw this top water around for a little bit till I get up to some better water. But that is the plan. Probably once I get up a little ways and the sun comes up a little more, I'll get the Magdrafts out and I'll probably throw those pretty much the whole time. Might throw this top water around in a couple little holes, but I think for the most part we're going to be throwing the Magdrafts today. I usually just end up throwing those on the way back down, and I think I want to just start off with them, fish them pretty much all day. So that's the plan. I catch a lot of big fish on them, and I haven't caught a giant fish in a while, so we're looking for a giant today, guys. But I'm gonna quit talking here and just get to walking and covering as much water as I can and see what we can find today. This quick walker is the lure you guys see me use in my river tournament videos all the time. Throwing them in the creek a little bit, not nearly as much as I do in those river tournament videos. I'm definitely not trying to waste any time today. I'll try to keep moving pretty much the whole day. It's 6 a.m. I started walking at 6 a.m. and the storms are coming. It says like 11 or 12. So got a good 5.5 hours. I might even push it to 6 hours or so and just risk getting stormed on the way back. I'm flowing pretty good, but I ain't had rain for a while now, so it has dropped back down pretty good. There's one on the top water walking bait. Oh, got a couple attacking them too. Oh, come off. He just had that back hook in him. There's one. Oh, he come off, dude. Oh my God, he hit it again. What are up with these hooks on this thing lately? There's another one. Little bitty guy. Came off again. I'm gonna have to change these hooks out on this thing. That is not good. That's a bigger fish. Hopefully this one don't come off. He's just skin hooked. He's probably gonna come off. There we go, finally landed one. This little guy. Just a little guy. I like to work this lure pretty quick. If you guys couldn't tell. That seemed like a big fish. Hopefully he's hooked good. That's a good one. He is not hooked good. Oh my God. He's not a giant, but... Oh, no. No. Just got the hook in my shirt. Oh, there's another nice little smallie. Got the hook just buried in my shirt now. Little butthead messed my shirt up. A muskrat. He's chasing fish around. And I just had a big smallie right on my tail, man. Right on my lure. You hear that thing, guys? That thing is not happy. He's freaking snarling at me. That muskrat started making a ruckus on the surface and got a bunch of these big smallies right around here all fired up. Holy cow, dude. Got a largemouth. I got a double. Oh, I had a double. I got the smallie now. The largemouth got off. There's another smallie right there with him. I had a little largemouth, guys, and this thing came up and smacked it while I was bringing him in. I had a double on, but the largemouth came off. Here we go. That one's a little better there, guys. Nice little smallie. There we go. Oh, it came off. I just got a hook in my butt. It was just a little largemouth. Literally got a hook in my butt. Wasn't too worried about landing that one. He's just a little bitty largemouth. Oh my God. Another largemouth. Not catching anything real big, but this topwater's definitely fun. Throwing around for these smaller fish. the old big bait out. This is a 6-inch Magdraft, and I will leave a link down below. Hopefully I'll leave a link if I can find them. They're hard to find right now. Here's that new color, literally light trout. Looks like a trout. Let's see if smallies like trout. There's one. Oh my God. He came off. A freaking giant too. My drag was loose. Oh no. That was a big fish, man. I was watching another one go for it, and then another one hit it out of nowhere. Gosh, dang it. That was my fault on that one. That fish should have been caught. I didn't check my drag. My drag was just spinning right there. Probably gonna throw the top water right through here for a minute, and then I'll switch back again. Probably gonna just keep switching back and forth. There we go. Stay on there. Whoa. Easy there. Landing treble hooked fish like this in the creek is always dangerous. There's a little guy, he smashed it though. I thought there'd be a big one up in here. Big bait back out. Got one, big one. Oh my God, a giant. Do not come off. He's not hooked very good. Oh my God, don't come off. Don't come off. Oh my God. That is what I am freaking talking about right there. My God. He was sitting up so shallow. Holy cow. What a fish. That's a 20. Gotta be. That's a new PB, guys. That's 20 and a half. New PB. This is probably my new PB weight too. I don't have a scale. 20 and a half inches. PB was 20. She kind of went between my legs. Swam over that way. She's back out there though. New PB, let's go. Good Lord. That was a freaking tank. We still got time. We're only about halfway through. We still got plenty of time to doink another giant. Magdraft. Light trout, not the color I normally would have picked. Only color I could find. And I thought, you know what, I'll give it a try. I seen that fish sitting out there. I seen a small one swimming up, and I was like, oh, there's a decent one here. I flipped it up there, and I seen that giant. I landed right by him. He just freaking smashed it. My Lord. That was in some shallow water too. Shallow water. I got another one. Oh my God. Another good one. Oh. He's not as big, but he's a good one. Hear that line screaming. Oh, he got the underside of him. Easy, easy. Stop. There we go, another one on the freaking Magdraft. Yeah, guys, I didn't even see that big fish when I first flipped it out there. I seen him as my bait was like going through the air, and then he just freaking inhaled it. I like seen him eat it, but I wasn't 100% sure if he actually ate it or not. I was kind of in disbelief there for a second. Talk about rookie hour. I went to do that swing cast and I hit this little log right here and it freaking just bird nested me up bad. Should be good to go now. Hooked a big one, guys. Camera wasn't on. I was trying to get the rest of this bird nest out, casting it. God, they are munching on this bait. There's another one, good one. Solid fish, man. Woo. Yeah, I was trying to cast the rest of this bird nest out. Got her all cleared up finally. That was the worst bird nest of my life. So there was about a 60% chance that I was gonna storm today at 11 to 12, just to pop up. Now it's about 100%. It's like 90 to 100. There's one. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, there's a big one with it too. Not nearly as big as this one though. Oh. Yes, sir. Smacked it. Sorry guys, I got a real quick release on that one. Would have showed you it a little better, but I was getting a phone call. Thought it might have been important. But of course, it was just some spam caller. Gotta be something around here. There's one. There we go, baby. Not a giant. He is not a giant, but we'll take him. There we go, another solid one. Just cast it out and wait for a thump. Try up a little shallower in the current more. See if there's a big one feeding. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rods down for a minute. least get the one off my back. Oh my God, I just lost a giant. There's lightning all around me. I gotta chill for a second. I just lost a giant though. Yeah, that's not good. I almost just caught a giant while there was a lightning storm going on. Okay, update. It is absolutely pouring down rain right now. And we were just chilling in it, I guess. There's nowhere to take cover. And getting under trees is more dangerous than standing out here, so I guess we're just chilling right here. It is just absolutely pouring. Literally just sitting here in a freaking thunderstorm. Just enjoying the beautiful weather we got right here. Luckily it ain't really cold, so once the lightning passes, I will get the rods and try to catch some fish. Seemed like they were biting pretty good. Had a few good bites. Lost a giant right before this thunderstorm got over our head. I'm absolutely soaked. Everything in my bag is soaked. I have nothing dry, so I can't wipe my camera clean, my lens, but hopefully it don't look too bad right now. There's no drops on it, but there's definitely water on it. Got two smallies looking at it right there. They're hunting it down. That's what need it. That's a big fish. Oh my God. Do not do that again. He just broke. He broke it off. Oh, he came off though. What just happened? I don't have my hook anymore. What? He ripped the whole hook up out of this thing. Look. That was a giant, mega giant. Oh my God. What the heck just happened? I guess my line got wrapped around something weird on the hook and broke it off. Oh my God. That swim bait, I don't know what just happened there. That shouldn't have happened though. This one's a little different color, but still a good one. I got another one, another big fish. Oh my God. This is a big largemouth. The other one was a giant smallie. He just came off. Are you freaking kidding me? You've got to be kidding me. That was a big largemouth. I'm about fed up with this. God, I can't believe I freaking lost another Magdraft. These things aren't that cheap. If you guys ever bought them, you know. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for this creek mission. Gonna go. Somebody's shooting some guns. Gonna go ahead and get out of this creek. Yeah, lost those two big ones there right here at the end, kind of, and don't know what happened when that one broke off. I don't know if my line got all twisted up in that swivel around the hook and that's what popped it off or what, but I'm thinking that might be what happened, because then after he broke off, it pulled the whole hook and line, the whole line through system in there. It pulled it all the way out of the soft swim bait, so ruined the whole bait. But that was a giant, probably 19-20 inch fish, and then tied this brand new one on here. Next cast, lost a giant largemouth, so and they were definitely chewing today. Had some opportunities at some very big fish. Caught my PB which makes it all hurt a little less, losing those other big ones. But yeah, brave the thunderstorms, and I'm glad I did, because it was an awesome day. But I'm gonna go ahead and make my way out of here, guys. If you guys are enjoying these creek videos, these big baits, big fish here in the Ozarks, go ahead and hit that subscription button down below and help me grow this channel. But other than that, I will see y'all in the next one.